everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can help your kids with memorizing or learning the spelling by heart if the word doesn't follow phonics rule. Delicious is one of the commonly used adjectives which children use to describe food or drinks. But if you see the spelling of delicious, it's crazy. See, I'm making the sh sound, and here even this E is kind of silent and it's schwa. Since little kids cannot decode this word with their phonics knowledge, we will turn this thing into a puzzle game. And along with that, we will also analyze the spelling. So no cramming. So let's see how we can make a puzzle out of it. First step, you have to read the word with kids. What is the word? It's delicious. Read after me. Delicious. Now please listen to the sound. D is making it sound, but F is saying almost nothing. But we have to write it. You have to explain the spelling to kid. Okay? Don't only work on memorizing, but explain it as well. So this is D. I is saying it short sound at the end of syllable, which is again a rule breaker thing. Delay. And then we have CIOUS making the sh sound. The CI here is tricky. It's making the sh sound, and OUS is saying the us sound, which usually happens if your word is an adjective. So delicious is an adjective. Let's read it once again. Delicious. Now we have to do something fun. You have to take a pair of scissors and break this word into syllables. Delicious. 3 syllables. Delicious. The game begins now. Jumble up. To the count of 3, please arrange the word. Delicious. Finish. Once again, jumble up. Arrange the word. Delicious. Awesome. Level up our game. Let's break the sh sound from our spelling. Jumble up. Let's make delicious to the count of 3. Sh, and us. Delicious. Do it once again. And it is here. Delicious. Delicious. Shh. Remember, this is sh. Level up. Break the word into letters. Sh and OUS. Us. Now jumble up. To the count of 10, arrange the word. Sh. Where is the sh sound? Sh sound is CI. Delicious. Us. To us, we have to write OUS. Delicious. We made it. So like this, by giving them time task, by using a pair of scissors, jumbling up the letters, you are giving them what they want. They want to play. They want a game. And indirectly, what you are getting back, you achieve your goal of helping them learn the spelling of this complex word, delicious. The last part will be take a piece of paper, cover the word and ask them, can you write delicious? Then they will focus on the thing that they have done. So delicious. Always encourage them to break the word into syllables and then write it. Delicious. If they made any mistake here, repeat the game. Okay. And then again check. So that's all for today's video. If you can think of another word which is complex like this one, for example, scrumptious, or the word color, because color is also something that doesn't go with the sounds, you can make a puzzle of that for your child and make learning spelling a breeze for them. That's all for today's video. I'll see you soon with something new, but don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.